All right, so did we isolate a radical? Yes, we did. It's already there. So we square both sides because it's squared. So now what we do is we get a 2x minus 1 equals, oh man, so this thing is called a binomial, and when we square it, we got to do this times itself, which is actually like a foiling grid method, area model, whatever you want to call it, problem. So that result is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 4. So obtain that however you multiply and combine like terms. Now we're going to isolate everything and get everything over to this side because we want to keep the x squared positive. So I'm going to subtract 2x. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And that gives me 0 equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. Now we solve a quadratic just like we did all chapter 5. So this is going to actually factor to x minus 1, x plus 5. No, not plus. Come on, Dave. X minus 5. So our answers are x equals 1, x equals 5. And now we got to plug those bad Larrys back into the original problem to make sure that they actually work. So if I do 2 times 1 minus 1 square root, that gives me square root of 2 minus 1, so square root of 1 equals 1. Plug it into the other side. 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. Well, these are not equal, so this one doesn't work. Doing the same thing, if I plug in 5, I do get 3 equals 3, so that is the solution. All right, so this problem has the most going on that we could possibly have. All right, so one radical is isolated. This is a binomial, my friends. So we're going to have to square a binomial. So that really means it's like root x plus 2 times root x plus 2. All right, so then you FOIL that sucker out. You get x plus 12 over here from the left side equals root x times root x is x. And then root x times 2 is 2 root x. And then we get another 2 root x. And then we got another 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so we combine those into x plus 4 root x plus 4. That still equals x plus 12. All right, well, shucks, now we still got a radical, right here. So we isolate the radical and then square both sides again. So here we go. Isolating this radical, I'm going to minus the x, I'm going to minus the 4 from both sides. So I end up with 8 equals 4 root x.